Hello guys! Weekends like this felt different. A quick escape at Homari Villa Resort with the whole family. Good food, good vibes, and even better company. Habang masayang naglalaro ang mga bata, kami namang matatanda, nagkikwentuhan, nagtatawanan at sinusulit ang bawat moment na magkakasama. From breakfast hanggang late night kwentuhan at asaran, every meal felt special because we shared it with the people we love the most. Simple moments, genuine laughter, and memories we'll always look back to. Ito talaga yung kind of weekend na nakakapagod man ang katawan pero busog naman ang puso. Family time will always be the best time. So paano? This is Abby and Filter TV. Dito, chill lang, kain lang, walang arte. Approve!
Baka ngayon, Abby yung Filter TV. Tara na't sumabay sa bawat